tigers. You're right. Those aren't just cats. Those are tigers.
Look, cats. What are the cats?
Well, they're tigers. I shouldn't have said cats. Well, tigers are big cats. We're going in a circle. Oh, that kind of made me feel a little. See, I'm riding in a train. You think I'm weird, Ella? Oh, Ella, it's just gonna get weirder.
It's just going to stop a bit. Stop. Hey, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeehaw.
Say hi. Can you wave? You can wave at this man and say hi. You can wave at those ladies.
Can I wave at those?
Sure, wait, you can wave at those girls.
I'm almost done.
Almost. Whoa, whoa.
What was that?
Wow, look at the jewelry store.
Where?
They expanded it. They took over where Aunt Jinjin. You want to wave at that little boy and his mom and dad?
This is fun.
Yeah, you like it? What kind of sound does the train make?
Choo choo. Chicka chicka choo choo. Chicka 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 choo choo. Chicka 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 choo choo. Chicka 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 choo choo. Don't forget the door. That's the door screen. Why are we not going the yellow?
What?
Why are we not going in yellow?
Because you picked red.
I don't want to pick red.
Well, red's almost done anyway.
And now for where can we go in yellow?
No, maybe another day. But
Why?
well, because we're only going to ride the train one time today.
Can't have too much of a good thing. But that means we get to save the yellow for another day.
Why?
Wave at him. Can you wave at that little boy? All right. When he opens the door, what are you going to say to him?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.